Today I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste your way to making well over $1,000 per week with affiliate marketing utilizing free traffic. This is a method that one of my students is using and he's killing it with affiliate marketing and making well over $1,000 per week. So in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know so you can go out there and start making money right after watching this video. So without further ado, let's hop into my computer and let's get straight into it. So first of all, what you need is a Clickbank account. Now Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace where you can promote other people's products, and these people are called vendors. All right, so you can go out there and start promoting other people's products and they will pay you a commission for every sale you get. So this is how affiliate marketing works in a nutshell. Now Clickbank is one of the oldest and most well-known affiliate marketplaces online. So make sure to create a free account and I'm going to log in for you guys and show you what to do next. So once you have an account, head over to the affiliate marketplace right up here, and on the left side you can see all of these different category, or what I like to call them, niches. Now everyone should have their own niche and stick to one niche only, because I see all these people online trying to make money in all these different niches. You need to master one niche and promote one product at a time. All right, so I am in the make money online niche, in the affiliate marketing niche, and I promote digital courses and these types of products. So it's completely up to you what niche you choose, but make sure that you are interested in that niche and you already have some experience in the niche. So you can see on the left side you have niches like business and investing, education, you have games, you have health and fitness, and so on and so forth. So it's completely up to you which niche you choose. But let me show you guys what one of my students is doing and how he's making money with affiliate marketing and free traffic. So this is the Instagram account that he is utilizing to promote a Clickbank product using Instagram. All right, so he's utilizing Instagram, which is 100% for free to use, and he's creating content to promote the affiliate product from Clickbank. So I'm going to show you exactly which one he's promoting and how he's doing it. So you can see that the name of this Instagram account is Dream Woodwork, and this is all about woodworking, carpentry, DIY projects and stuff like this. So this is a very specific niche. So I know it might sound crazy going into the woodworking niche, but there is a huge market in the woodworking niche, and a lot of people are interested in DIY projects, home renovation and stuff like this. So as you can see, he's posting content all about DIY, woodworking, and all these different types of videos, which obviously aren't even his. He's re-uploading them from places like YouTube, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I'm going to show you just in a second where you can also find these types of videos that you can re-upload 100% for free without getting into trouble, without getting copyright strike or anything like that. So as you can see, he's posting videos like, let's just say this. All right, this is a picture of a coffee table. As you can see, very handy, very cool. He's also posting videos, all right, just like this. Basically woodworking related. So he is selling and recommending a Clickbank woodworking product by uploading woodworking type content. Now when you click on his website, all right, you can see that this is a bit.ly website. Let me make this bigger. All right, you can see that this is a Clickbank product. All right, when you click on it, this is the video. Right, here's what you're getting. All right, so there's nothing else like these plans on the market today. And when you click on the video or whatever, when you click on any button on the page, you're gonna get redirected to the tedswoodworking.com offer, which is from Clickbank. All right, so this is the actual sales page, and whenever somebody purchases, all right, let me just show you. All right, where's the add to cart? As you can see, the product is $70. So he's gonna make a nice commission from every sale. So I'm also gonna give you this exact landing page so you can directly use it yourself and start going out there right after watching this video. All you have to do is click on one link and it's gonna be redirected into your funnel builder account, which I'm gonna show you how to set up in just a second. But when you go over to Clickbank and search for woodworking, all right, I'm gonna search for this keyword, and you can source this, you can sort this by gravity, right, which means the best performing offer. You can see the Ted's Woodworking, highest converting woodworking site on the internet, and it's gonna pay out a $55 commission. All right, so how many sales do we need to get to make $1,000 per week? 20 sales, not even, like 19 sales. 19 sales per week and you're at $1,000. So this is the offer that he's promoting. As you can see when I click on it, this is the exact same thing, the exact same sales page. All right, so now that we know exactly how this strategy works, now it's time to create the actual landing page, because you cannot add your affiliate link in your bio. Your Instagram account will be taken down, so you have to create a landing page like this person is doing. All right, so this is a simple landing page, and I'm gonna give this landing page to you for free. All right, you're gonna find it below this video. So the funnel builder that you're gonna use to actually add the pre-made landing page into your account is called System.io. Now this is by far the best funnel builder online, and it's 100% for free. Let me show you guys features. All right, pricing, and you can see that they have a free plan, and you can collect up to 2,000 contacts and create up to 3 sales funnels. So this is more than enough to get you started. So I'm gonna log in for you guys, and as you can see, I have already pre-made the actual landing page for you, so you can just copy and paste it into your account. So all you have to do, look, I'm gonna leave a link below this video, and I can click on share this funnel, and I'm gonna leave this link below this video, so you can directly just click on it and it's gonna paste into your System.io account. But let me show you what the landing page looks like. So this is the landing page that I created for you guys, so you can directly copy and paste it into your own account. And as you can see, there's a video, you know, the headline, what you're getting, lifetime projects, ideas. There's nothing else like this on the market. And when you click on anywhere on this page, so if you click on the button or on the video, you're gonna get redirected to your affiliate link. But there's one thing that you need to do, all right? So once you have this funnel in your account, click on edit page, all right? Click on all of these images. You're gonna click on this image, this image, this image, and this image, all right? So just click on it, and you're gonna add your affiliate link. So click on one of the images, click on open URL, all right? And now you wanna paste your URL, which is your affiliate link. So go back to Clickbank, click on promote, all right? Enter your nickname account, and now click on create hop link. Now you can also add your tracking ID. This is gonna track your sales and clicks. So I'm gonna be promoting this with Instagram, so I would add tracking ID is Instagram. So every time I get a sale, I know that it's from Instagram. So click on create hop link, and I'm gonna copy this affiliate URL and paste it inside this little tab right here. And then I'm just gonna do this same exact step. All right, let me just remove this for each and every image. Just like this, all right, and just like this. So now I can click on save changes, I can preview it in a new window, and let me just test if it's working. So when I click on this play button, as you can see, we are redirected to my affiliate URL. So every time somebody comes to this page, makes a purchase, I make a small commission, $55, you know, $100, based on if the customer buys the woodworking plans or the upsells as well. So guys, 100% for free. Below this video, you can just copy paste it. I'm doing for you guys. I really want to help you make money online, so make sure to copy it into your account. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash that like button below and subscribe if you're new. This keeps me super motivated to create awesome content just like this for you guys. You know, create all the sales funnels, and I can just give them away for you. All I'm asking, like and subscribe. That's all I'm asking. So now let's continue. And the next step, all right, now we have the funnel. We have the funnel linked to our affiliate URL. Now it's time to find content so we can start uploading it to our Instagram account. So now head over to YouTube. So this is the first option. Head over to YouTube and search for woodwork and hashtag shorts. And as you can see, when you search this up on YouTube, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of woodworking videos that you can directly download and re-upload to your Instagram account. All right, so obviously you want to create a new Instagram account and make sure it's the title of your username is short and to the point. For example, this guy is doing, dream woodwork, so you can do something like this as well. You can do like woodwork DIY mom or woodwork DIY dad or something like that, something simple. You want to fill out your profile, so woodworking, carpentry, and you can add your bio. So I love woodworking, sharing daily new woodworking projects, and here's your call to action. Make 16,000 woodworking project plans, step-by-step guide at home easily, and here you would add your landing page URL. So to find that URL, just head over to System.io, click on the funnel, and here it is. All right, so click on copy, and you want to add this into your bio. And now you can start uploading content. So let's get back to YouTube, and look at this, guys. There's hundreds, if not thousands of videos. So I want you guys to upload 2 videos per day to Instagram. 2 or 3 videos per day for best results. So I want you to go out there and find YouTube videos, so something like DIY #shorts or carpentry #shorts or woodwork #shorts. You can directly click on one of these videos, all right, like this. You can watch it, and if you like it, you can click on, let me see, share. Copy this link, now head over to a brand new tab and paste it inside. This is called shortssnoob.com. Paste it inside here, click on download, and it's gonna download to your desktop. You can do this on your phone as well. This website works on your phone, so you can directly copy the video from your Instagram application, go over to this website and download it to your gallery. All right, so it's much easier that way. So as you can see, video plus audio, 720p, just click on download. All right, so you can do this, you won't get into trouble. I mean, hundreds, if not thousands of people are doing this every single day. Don't worry. Your account is not going to be taken down or anything like that. But make sure, there's one more thing you need to be careful. Make sure that the video does not have a watermark. So as you can see, this account username is tooltips, and they also have their username in the video. So you want to find videos without the watermarks, all right? Without them. So one more time, if you find that the username watermark is in the video, then make sure just to go out there and just find a different video. You don't want to be, copying someone else's content with their watermark. That doesn't make any sense. But if you're gonna do it, if you're gonna download the video with the watermark, make sure to leave credit. All right, so in the description, make sure to leave a comment or something like that. Video from Tooltips YouTube. All right, so just give them credit that you actually took it from them. All right, so do it this way if you're gonna download videos with a watermark. Now the second place where you can download videos is TikTok. So once again, search for woodworking projects or woodworking ideas, and once again you have hundreds of videos that you can start downloading. As you can see, hundreds of videos. So once again, click on the video, all right, here's the link, and copy it online. Just search for TikTok video downloader, and there's a bunch of them, and just download the video and re-upload it to Instagram. Now the third place you're gonna go to find content ideas is Pinterest. Once again, search for woodwork, and here you have a ton of woodworking ideas, videos, images that you can download and use for your Instagram page. So this is the entire strategy. This is how you can make well over $1,000 per week utilizing affiliate marketing on Clickbank and free traffic. This is not rocket science. This is how the majority of people online are making money with affiliate marketing. They're basically content marketing and promoting products on Clickbank, utilizing free content that they're downloading from YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and they're re-uploading it to Instagram. Now guys, make sure to add your hashtags, your description, everything like that. You can just copy it from these accounts. All right, you can model this description. So as you can see, I just copy it and change it up a bit. So Instagram knows what type of post you are posting. So make sure to add hashtags, your description and everything like that. So this is the entire strategy. And now you can start going out there and start making money yourself with affiliate marketing on Clickbank. Make sure to upload consistently 3 times per day, every single day for best results. Now guys, it's going to be a bit rough from the beginning, but as you can see, they're also doing follow and follow. So to speed your account growth, you can also start following other people. For example, you would open this account and you can start following his followers so we can grow a bit faster. But this is how you make money with this method in a nutshell. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and take this seriously and go full time, then I actually have affiliate marketing training program called the Affiliate Escape Plan. You're gonna find it below this video, and in that training program, I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna get you from $0 to $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing. And I have strategies just like this inside a training program, but in much more detail. So if this is something for you and you can see yourself doing this full time, then it's 100% possible with my Affiliate Escape Plan. Make sure to check it out below this video. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.